Hello guys! Today we're taking a look at the ELEPHAS Smart 4K PRO UHD Wi-Fi projector, a feature-packed option designed to turn any space into a big screen experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming with friends, or running presentations, this projector aims to deliver strong performance without a complicated setup. It supports 4K content and offers bright, vivid visuals with solid contrast, making scenes look sharp and colorful even in rooms with some ambient light. While the native resolution is 1080p, it still processes 4K input smoothly, giving you impressive clarity for the price range. One of its biggest advantages is built-in access to popular streaming apps like Netflix and Prime Video, so you don't need an external streaming stick. Just connect to Wi-Fi and start watching. Dual-band Wi-Fi helps keep playback smooth and stable. Audio is powered by dual built-in speakers with Dolby support, delivering clear and room-filling sound for casual viewing. Setup is also simple, thanks to smart autofocus and 4D keystone correction, which automatically adjusts the image for a clean, aligned picture. Overall, this projector combines convenience, solid brightness, and smart features into a versatile home entertainment solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.